So many times people say, think outside the box. Is that really a good solution? Let's discuss it. I can't tell you how many times I hear people say, you want to change the world, you want to make money, you want to make your splash, you need to be thinking outside the box. The idea there is you need to be thinking like differently than everyone else. You need to come up with the new app, be creative, always trying to be doing something different, be unique, be whatever. I can't tell you how far from the truth that is, especially when it comes to financial stability or financial security and building wealth. In fact, I don't want to do anything outside the box. I want to think about everything inside the box and I want to perfect what's inside the box, right? And this idea of like going, oh, like I'm going to go invest in the stock market, but I need to do something to like really creative to figure out like how I can get really great returns so I can like really become rich. Thinking outside the box in that way and trying to be creative and do all kinds of whatever and this new thing or whatever, the new algorithm, the new day trading thing or whatever, then ends up highs, lows, high lows, and ends up a complete ruin. You're not going to get ahead, right? There's a reason why certain things are done certain ways, and they've always done certain things in certain ways. That's the inside the box thing. There's a reason why. Sometimes boring is exactly where you want to be. If you are really, really, really great at the boring, exceptional at the boring, you can be wildly successful. You don't have to think outside the box. Think about an example when I said, how do you make the most money? How people make money? It is high specialty with high impact to people. So, like Elon Musk, very, very hard to do his job, high skilled, and he can impact tons of people. What is just as good is the egg farmer that literally just waits for chickens to lay eggs, puts them in a box, and sells them to tons of people. The egg farmer has perfected inside the box. There are so many people trying to be like the next great Elon Musk, and they're trying to develop all these types of things, and the end result is they're going to crash and burn. Some of them might make it, good for the ones that do. Most of them are going to learn a lesson, they're going to crash and burn. For the individual that decided not to do that and just be the egg farmer, and I'm going to be the best freaking egg farmer in the box egg farmer I could possibly be, wildly successful. There are so many people out there that are trying to be athletes and they're trying to like, oh, I want to just, if I could just play for the Green Bay Packers, and they'll spend all their time trying to go in and make the team. And then there's the guy out there that's like, I just want to be the water boy on the field making $160,000 a year. How do I just bring the water? The point is, you don't need to reinvent something else. You don't need to be anything creative. What we've discussed here is all been very basic, very simple, very boring, inside the box things. Why? Because it works. Outside the boxes thinking is great for the one in the million shot. Better for us to rely our financial future on the 99% going to work versus the one in the million shot. Think about it.